Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to block pop-ups on Safari browser using iPhone. If you want to stop those annoying pop-ups while browsing on your iPhone, first of all, open up the Settings application on your mobile device from the home screen. Inside the Settings menu, scroll all the way down and look for Safari, or you can also tap on the Apps option if available, and inside this App option, you will be able to find your Safari app. Once you find it, tap on it, and then on the next page, scroll down until you find the Block Pop-ups under General. Toggle on the button right next to Block Pop-ups, and then after you've done that, if you want to get extra protection for scammy sites, you can scroll down and look for Fraudulent Website Warning. Toggle on that button as well. From now on, Safari will automatically block most pop-up windows while you browse. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.